Hi everyone, Dr. K here. So this is our second episode of skincare. What are the do's, don'ts, and which age we should start things on. So if we look at it, as I said in my earlier podcast, that when we talk about skincare should start at as early an age as possible because it is not that we have an age for it. It is according to the need. Moisturization should even start with small children. So skin, we have to be very, very vigilant about because it's the biggest, largest organ of the body and it responds differently in different times. So a lot of people say that what are the 3 or 4 wrong things that we are doing as far as anti-aging is concerned. First thing, following the social media. Thank you so much. Because social media shows magic and magic actually doesn't happen. There are good things, but whatever sounds very, 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 very good to us, at times we are falling for that. So one thing which I would like to advise each and every one of you, don't buy products just because somebody is coming on the social media and telling you that this product, you use it. I've seen a lot of damage being done right now. People have been talking about tretinoin. I cannot use brand names, otherwise I would have used a brand name. Tretinoin, search it, you will find the brand name. And there are people who are non-doctors. And this is a product which has to be prescribed by a dermatologist. And there are influencers who are talking about this product. And just recently in my clinic, somebody came and she had burnt her skin because she had used that product. And why? Because she saw it on the social media. So this is the first don't. Don't use product until you have consulted with your doctor. And I see it every day. These brightening, whitening creams, they have, a lot of them have steroids. So whatever promises you magic, please remember, magic does not happen. So we talked about last time that 4 basic things that we need to do. One is we need to cleanse our skin. Second, we need to tone our skin. Third, we need to moisturize our skin. And fourth, we used to use a good sunblock. Now, starting with the sunblock, which is a good sunblock? Sunblock can be, so if people have a moisture, people have a dry skin, their sunblock will be different. And if people are having a skin which is more oily, then we will have a different sunblock. I am not telling you any brand of sunblock. Whatever suits your skin, there are some very, very good brands available out there in the market. So my trust is always on the company which is manufacturing the product, because I would like to see that what are the quality controls this company would be following. Anything which is 60 plus SPF is a good sunblock. And again, sunscreen or sunblock, these are 2 different things. So we have to be careful about that also, because we need to see that are we protecting our skin from getting burnt, or are we trying to reduce the formation of pigmentation. This is the other important thing which we have to look at. I'll be going more into the detail of each and everything in my subsequent episodes which will be coming, where I'll be talking about which sunblock, what is the difference between a sunscreen and a sunblock, and a lot of other things. But again, when I say this, you people these days, before I have said it, you would go on to ChatGPT and you would have searched what I'm trying to say. I tell you, ChatGPT is very good. You should use it. It educates you. But again, whatever you do your research, come back to us and we are there to guide you. Now, when we talk about a moisturizer, what kind of a moisturizer should we use? If it is an oily skin, do we moisturize that or not? Yes, oily skin needs to be moisturized as well. It isn't necessary that a skin has to be dry to be moisturized, and we have oil-free moisturizers which are available. A lot of these moisturizers which are available right now in the market have a lot of ceramides and other things in them as well. So when you have a skin condition, try to avoid these ceramide based moisturizers. Try to go with as neutral a moisturizer as possible, like Vaseline, like there are other emollients which are there which are good, but they do not have additives. When I say use the word additives, means other things along with the moisturizer. Now, hyaluronic acid based products are also good moisturizers. These can also be used. And when we talk about a cleanser, if you have acne prone skin, anything which is salicylic based or mandelic based could be good. But then again, if you use that too excessively, your skin will get dry. Then you need to either moisturize. So you have to understand your skin yourself. That is very important. And as far as a good toning is concerned, you can use a good toner, you can use anything which is good, has good antioxidant properties. Those can be used. So I'll break it here, and my further things will be on each and every, there'll be small episodes which we will do. One I will do on sunblocks, one I will do on moisturizers, one I'll do on maybe the toners and the cleansing. So we'll do 4, and I may seek help from one of my colleagues who will guide you further on what are the cleansing processes, how should we do cleansing of the skin, what kind of makeup, how to apply makeup, before makeup what we need to do. This is a whole regime which we need to follow. So now we'll have independent episodes on each and everything. Thank you so much.